Hey everyone, my name is Mariah Miller, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. This is the first time ever I am dropping a video on YouTube about my entrepreneurial journey. I'm going to show you everything I know about e-com, Amazon FBA, social media marketing agencies. Those are the top 3 things that I focus on, and I'm going to drop tons of value on this channel, so I hope you're ready. So if you're here on my channel watching my video right now, I'm guessing you're interested in entrepreneurship, whether it be Amazon FBA, digital marketing, like social media marketing agencies, or e-com, Shopify, dropshipping, things like that. On this channel, I'm gonna do it all. I'm gonna drop value on all 3 of those topics. I know each of them very well, and I have succeeded in all of them. I will show results. I'm gonna show you step-by-step really important things that you need to do in order to achieve goals and become successful in those areas. So just a little bit more about me. I grew up in a military family, so I was always moving. However, the last place that I was before Los Angeles was Florida. Florida is where I was born and raised. I don't miss Florida, I just miss my family and friends. The weather is just way too hot and humid there for me. This is Blue. Say hi, Blue. She's tired. She's a little baby. I graduated high school in Florida. I went straight to college. I was doing dual enrollment. So my senior year in high school, I was taking college classes. I was in National Honor Society. I was in Phi Theta Kappa International Honor Society in college. I was the vice president of fundraising and marketing. I was on track to do a marketing degree. Business has always been like a part of me. I never wanted to go down the nursing path or the lawyer path or anything. I was always focused on business. I loved business. When I was a senior in high school, I did purchase an affiliate marketing course. That was the first course I've ever purchased, and I was only a senior in high school. So after high school, I finished my 2 years of college. I dropped out. I don't go to college anymore. I'm focusing on my 3 businesses. I'm living out here in LA by myself. Well, with my fiance, but by myself meaning not with my family. My family is all back home in Florida. So I live in downtown Los Angeles right now. Actually, not in downtown. I'm in central LA. I'm a few minutes outside of downtown. I'm actually looking at downtown LA right now. If you go on my Instagram, you'll see stories and pictures of posts and stuff of my apartment, things like that. So I started dropshipping about 2 years ago. The beginning was very rough because I was self-taught. I didn't take any courses. I didn't have a mentor. No one in my group of friends or family knew anything about dropshipping whatsoever. I was like just teaching myself. I was like a little baby trying to work my way through something with no guidance. That's basically what it was like. However, I'm going to put some screenshots right around my face and show you my recent results. Now for Amazon FBA, my second business, I've been doing Amazon FBA for about a year now, and I've run into a lot of problems. Like probably more problems than you could ever imagine. Everything from running out of inventory, which is the worst problem to have, and I almost got sued from a company. So it's just been a roller coaster ride, and I have a lot of knowledge and value to share with you guys regarding that as well. Now, my third business that I'm focusing on is relatively new still. It is social media marketing. I've been in the entrepreneur space for quite some time now. I have a lot of knowledge in my brain, and I want to share it all with you guys. That is exactly why I have created this YouTube channel, specifically for a bunch of information to help you guys, okay? So no fluff, no BS. I want to get straight to the point in all my videos and teach you guys exactly what you need to know step by step for different topics and subjects. And of course, it's going to be mainly focusing on all three of those businesses that I just mentioned. There's going to be a little different stuff in there as well, maybe some vlogs that I might post as well. You know, just things like that that I believe will be beneficial for you guys or that you guys would enjoy watching. I want to make my YouTube a community so that way we can get to know each other. So if you're new to this channel, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and make sure to leave a comment on this video. Introduce yourself. Let me know where you are in your journey, whether it be, you know, maybe you're a beginner and you just came across my videos and you're interested in learning about this. Maybe you are already in Amazon FBA, Shopify dropshipping, social media marketing agency, whatever it may be. Go ahead and let me know down in the comments, and let's just start chatting. I will respond to all of you guys. I want to get to know everyone, like I said, and build an awesome community and just drop tons of value for you guys, free value. And yeah, so the next video, I already have it planned out. I'm not going to tell you yet. I want it to be a surprise, but it's going to be one of the most important things. Actually, it's one of the most important things between Amazon FBA and Shopify dropshipping. Some of you might already be guessing what it is, but some of you might be clueless. So go ahead and turn on my post notifications, and as soon as I drop that video, you guys will be the first to know and be able to watch it. So thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to hanging out with you guys along my journey.